love and light to you all. So today I wanted to talk about meditation. For those that know, I have started my spiritual journey. So far it's been absolutely amazing. I pretty much started off because I needed a hobby. And with this hobby, I started getting into kind of my history. When I say my history, I mean African history. So that's what led me to wanting to learn about my chakras. And so there is a local store where I live, and they have things like crystals, sage, and different books aligned with spirituality. So I started with the Chakras for Beginners book, and now since I've completed that one, learned how to focus in on those, I am now moving on to a meditation book. So I found a meditation book for beginners. This book is by Stephanie Clement, PhD. So this book pretty much helps with techniques for awareness, mindfulness, as well as relaxation. There are also plenty other areas she covered in this book. Development for concentration, as well as learning how to focus your attention, learning how to relax your body, mind quickly and easily, because I know a lot of us don't realize our mind is going daily. Like, it's so many thoughts that pop up in our head and we don't know how to focus in on one thing. So this book has helped to guide you to learn how to do that, as well as learning how to release your fears, working on how to naturally heal your body, exchange your old habits for new ones, identify personal goals and aspirations, as well as discover what meditation works best for you. So with that, people think of meditation, people automatically think of like the lotus position, but there's actually multiple ways you can meditate. So within this book, I actually did technically start it. I'm about 2 chapters in, but I want to say, hey, pause, Shanae. I actually want to, let my family see this, my spiritual family, let you guys see the full journey. So I have the book. I noticed that she was talking about the essential pieces that people will have while meditating. And if I'm going to start something while I'm already on this path to better me, I want to make sure I have all the essential equipment, supplies to enhance that. So I want to show you guys the meditation essentials that I got. So let's get right to it. Okay guys, welcome back. So you see here we have 3 products. We have a yoga mat, a meditation mat, and then we have the yoga cushion pillow. I don't know if that's correct terminology, but that's what it's going to be. So let's see. I got this in lavender because that's my favorite color. And then I know I believe those products, I got them in a sage green because for some reason, these past few years, green has been sticking out to me a lot. So some people try to say it's because I'm a nature baby now, but it's just, okay, we'll see. Let's see how this goes. And I decided to actually purchase a yoga mat because, like I said earlier, I started studying my chakras, and along with meditations, I automatically group yoga with that. It can be very peaceful and as well as strengthening your body. And it helps loosen you up when you're so stiff. So meditation and yoga is going to become part of my daily routine. So let's see how this thing looks. Okay, so it's in this little container. Let's actually open it up. Okay, so it came with this cute little holder and a little thing to carry. So if I ever find like a nice little local yoga class near me, I'll have that. Oh, how cute! And it's a little brown person. Oh, I love it. That's so adorable. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. So I'm not gonna take it fully apart right now, but you see it's 2 different colors. There's purple and lavender. Oh, I love this. I cannot wait to use it. Okay, so actually on it as well, it talks about, it gives you instructions on the cleaning methods that you can possibly use. So that's great. Oh my goodness. I'm excited about this one, and like I'm really excited it was a brown person on the logo. Oh my goodness. So, I don't feel like something else is in here. It's a little heavy, y'all. Oh, I got little toys. What's this? What is this? Are these resistant bands? Oh, these must be levels of it. Oh, they trying to get me right. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, this is super, super cute. So, enjoy the kisses of nature. And you can get a little freebie. So, definitely visit the website once you get this. And many free gifts are awaiting you. Okay, you know I'm about to get that free gift, y'all. You know it. Oh, I'm gonna have to do that. So, let's go on to the next piece. I'm gonna put all this stuff up. Okay, so from here I have the meditation mat. It is in light green. So I haven't figured out exactly where I want to set all my stuff up yet. But once I actually officially have my setup, I will definitely be sure to show you guys. We will go from there. Oops, that's a little strap for that. Ooh. Okay, so let me actually cut this so we can open it and see what it looks like. So soft. It's very, very, very soft. Okay, so these two are from Florenzi, and it actually has a little card that says, "What does Florenzi mean?" So it says, "You may be wondering, what does the name Florenzi mean? I'm glad you asked. Our founder discovered her life mission and decided to quit her corporation job to pursue the business venture while she was traveling in Florence, Italy. The Florenzi name was inspired by the magical city." And it has like their website for you to contact them if you have any questions and concerns. Also, they actually gave a little background story about Florenzi itself. So it's based out of Austin, Texas. With a mission to provide relaxation and a peace to everybody, regardless of the level needed. Our founder began suffering from anxiety at age 25 and has been researching techniques and instruments to help reduce her reliance on medication ever since. The Florenzi line has been created as a result of this journey. That's really great. So you kind of, hear a background story of why a company was discovered, and you also get a nice little 20% off on your next purchase. So that is very nice. So let's open this up. So this is the mat. Oh, it's a little big, soft. So this is the mat, and what I'm going to do actually is going to keep it right beside me, so that way we can see the full setup. So let's put this right here. We got baby S over here looking flourishing, and Dracenna, the cousins. Okay, so now we're gonna open up the meditation cushion. Oh my. So I'm really excited about this because now that I received all these products, I can dive deep into the book as well as practicing my meditations and perfecting the craft of what I have been enjoying. Because I have been meditating outside of this, but I know this will pretty much enhance it to another level to where I can meditate for a longer period of time without, cramping up or anything like that. So let's see. Of course, again, it has like their little details, information cards, and this is the pillow. This little thing is heavy. Oh, it's a little bit heavy. Let's open this up. Oh my goodness, this is so heavy. Look, I feel like it's like 10 pounds. Even though I know that's not heavy, but you wouldn't expect the pillow to be that heavy. So this is a little setup. I brought green because that's the color that pretty much called me. And let's see how it feels. Test this product out, okay? Eee. Oh, that doesn't feel half bad. So I can definitely see how this will benefit me with meditating, because it is allowing you to have that correct posture with your chakras. You're not sitting, all hunched because you're tired. You're able to sit up. It's not putting too much pressure on your legs or feet, so they're sitting perfectly for you to continue to meditate properly the way you want. I am actually very excited to use these products, and I can definitely tell how they're going to benefit me. So definitely want to say thank you to you guys. My spiritual family, definitely make sure you stay tuned, because there is a lot more to come, and you guys get to see me grow on my spiritual journey. So thank you. Love and light.